Hello dear student, good morning. In this session, you will learn about Introduction to HTML of class 7th. So let's start. Dear students, what is a HTML? Today in this world of computers, you can download information or document containing text, sound, graphic or video through the internet with the help of a web browser. A web browser is a software that enables a computer to display any type of documents or information present on the internet. Web documents are written in a special language called HTML. So, what is HTML? Dear students, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web pages and web applications. We can create a static website by HTML only. Dear students, do you know what is a web page? A web page is a document commonly written in HTML that is viewed in an internet browser. In other words, you can say a web page may contain text, graphic, and a hyperlink to other web pages and files. So, what is a website? A website is a collection of web pages. To view a website, require a browser. Browser means Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Opera, Mozilla Firefox. These all are browsers. So dear students, do you know when was the first website created? Yes, the website was built by Tim Berners-Lee and launched on August 6, 1991. So HTML is an initial that stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So what is the means of hyper? Here you can see H stand for hyper. Hyper means it is not a linear. Linear means we have to go manually step by step process like reading book, reading newspaper, any other printed material. But in the case of hyper, we don't need to go manually. In a split, we can directly to the particular page on which we have just click down. T stand for text. Text means it is simply a collection of alphabet, string or special symbol which is entered by the keyboard. And what is a markup? Markup means since it is a page layout language, the text which is written with a tag is known as markup. And L stand for language. Language is a medium by which all features with communication with each other. So Tim Berners-Lee is known of father of the HTML. Features of HTML. HTML is not a case-sensitive language. This means that HTML commands can written in lower or upper case. So what is case sensitive? Case sensitive means you can write your HTML code in lowercase or uppercase. Lowercase means if you want to write HTML, so you can write in lowercase HTML. And what is a uppercase? Uppercase means HTML. HTML document is written in text editor like Notepad and Notepad++. We should also have a text editor to write our code like Notepad and Notepad++. So next is HTML elements or tag. HTML consists of text with special instruction known as a tags. Tag is very important in HTML. Without tag, your HTML code is incomplete. So let's define what is tag. When you enclose predefined function into two angle bracket, it is called tag. You must have to write your code between this tag. Suppose you want to write an code. So how can you write? This is example. Here you can see a title tag. Title tag has also a closing title tag with slash. So here you note that the closing tag has the same text as the opening tag, but has an additional forward slash character. HTML tag can be categorized into two categories: container tag and empty tag. So what is a container tag? Container tag means tag that have both starting as well as ending are known as container tag. It means you can say pair tag. Pair tag, it come in pair, that mean it has opening and closing tag. Like title tag, B tag, B for bold, I for italic tag, U for underline. These all are pair tag, means container tag. So what is empty tag? Tag that have only a starting and there is no need to close them are known as empty tag. Example, BR. BR means break the line. If you want to write your code in next line, you can write BR tag. The next is HTML attribute. So what is attribute? Attribute are some extra property of the tag. Suppose I want to write a heading whose particular color is green. So I will write h1 color equal to green and then any text. So what will be the output? It will show green in our text or font. The next is entities. What is entities? Entities are special symbol which is a copyright symbol or a fraction that you can add to a web page by using special code. Suppose I want to insert a special symbol in our website like this. You can see here. So I will write this in code and copy. The next is HTML version. The most recent version of HTML is HTML5. This version includes rules for using more than 100 different tags. So now XHTML. What is the XHTML? XHTML or Extensible Hypertext Markup Language is an alternative language for coding web page. XHTML is also tag based and uses many of the tags used in HTML. Means XHTML is almost same as HTML, but it is more important to create your code correctly because XHTML is strict than HTML in syntax and case sensitivity. XHTML is help you to create better formatting code on your site. HTML editor. HTML document are plain text document, so you can use only text editing program to code HTML and create a web page. What is a text editor? Text editor is a program that allow a user to enter, change, save and print text such as HTML. It's allow you to develop HTML document easily. So what is HTML editor? HTML editor means it is Eclipse and Bluefish are dedicated program for writing HTML code and managing web page. So it is basically used for managing your web pages. In the last, what is a web browser for HTML? We already discussed about the web browser. A web browser is a software that display the resulting web page. When you coding your HTML, you can use a web browser to text your work. Popular web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Safari and Opera. You can see in the picture Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. So here I am giving you an exercise that you have to do. So, dear students, in this chapter we have learned about some basic of HTML. In next session we will discuss about the next chapter of your computer. So, thank you.